A portion of it is sold for 38 RMB, but it only costs 3 RMB to make at home. Many people have never eaten it and have never seen it. Follow my video to see how it's made. First, prepare a piece of vermicelli, pour it into warm water, and soak it for a few minutes. Crack 3 eggs into a small bowl, add a little water starch, and stir the eggs with a whisk or chopsticks until well mixed. Set aside for later use. Next, prepare a handful of spinach. Cut off the roots with a knife, slice it down the middle, and cut it into 2 halves. Set aside for later use. Brush a layer of cooking oil in a wok and pour in the egg mixture. Shake the wok to distribute the egg evenly. Turn the heat to low and fry slowly. Flip it over and fry the other side. Once cooked, remove it from the wok, roll it up, and cut it into thin strips. Set aside for later use. Boil a pot of water in advance. Add the spinach, a spoonful of salt, and a little cooking oil. This helps the spinach stay green and bright. Blanch for just 1 minute. Friends, I share a simple home-cooked meal every day. If my videos help you, please give them a like, subscribe, and share. Thank you very much. After blanching, remove the spinach, let it cool down, then drain the water and place it in a bowl. Add the sliced egg strips, some cooked carrots for extra nutrition, boiled vermicelli, and 108 peanuts. Now, prepare the seasoning. In an empty bowl, add a generous amount of minced garlic, dried chili, and 188 white sesame seeds. Pour hot oil over them to release their aroma. This step is key to the dish's delicious taste. The secret ingredient is Haitian cold sauce. Its taste is excellent. Pour the sauce over the mixed vegetables. Put on disposable gloves and mix everything with your hands. This makes the flavors blend more evenly. Finally, plate the dish and enjoy. This simple and delicious cold dish is perfect for the New Year's table. After eating rich foods like fish and meat, it's refreshing to have a bite of cold vegetables. It's super tasty and very easy to make. If you like it, give it a try.